All right, so look, man, we just gonna keep it raw life sushi, man. And college is really my plan B. I'm all in on entrepreneurship. I'm all in on being an entrepreneur, day trading. I got a clothing brand. I'm just all in on multiple sources of income. All right, YouTube, what's good? It's No Limits, and this is part two to becoming a funded futures trader. So March. Today is March 5th, and this is the second day of the challenge. So yesterday where we left off, we took shorts on Nasdaq. As you can see, got stopped out. Would have been a banger of a trade. Our analysis was completely right. It is what it is. So now for today, we have a little bit of red folder news at 9 a.m. So we have a little bit of USD red folder news at 9 a.m. Right? It's currently 8:07, so we got about 30 minutes to the opening bell. So Nas had this giant pullback that we were expecting, right? And now we're coming down towards these areas. So I'm not really seeing anything too specific in terms of our daily bias. If we look at the daily time frame, this just looks like a pullback. It's making a higher low. So, we're gonna have to find a nice area to buy. We can get buys at this level, or we can get buys at one of these levels down here. So we're just gonna have to wait and see, what type of opportunities the market presents us today. Now, if we go to US 30, right? So price is currently also pulling back. These charts look a little messy. Not to clean these up, right? Price is currently pulling back into these major supply and demand areas. And, we could get a reaction off of, somewhat off of these levels right here. But if we break beneath this level, it's easy sells down probably to the next level for almost 100 points. So like I said, my bias today, nothing is looking too clear. It's just one of those days where you're just going to have to wait and see what the actual market is doing. We have this trend looking like that. So, yeah, we're going to have to wait and see. So, I'll keep you guys updated if I take a trade and why I take it. The market's not showing me anything too clear at the moment, but you got to remember, not every day is a trading day. So we may not take a trade, and our goal is to stay disciplined. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, gang. So we just entered a US 30 trade, right? We've seen momentum coming down. I'm expecting price to actually melt towards this next level of support down here, right? We got the 5-minute candle closure below the zone, and price is heading down with a lot of momentum. So we're just expecting price to fill this range, and we'll let you know how it goes. Price right now has a lot of momentum. 9 a.m. news just came out, so we're gonna see how this trade actually plays out. Hopefully we can end this day with a winner. The risk to reward in this trade is a 1.39. This trade is playing out. Price is melting. This was a breakout setup. We got our confirmation on the 5-minute time frame. Hopefully we can avoid rejecting. We do have like some minor areas of interest over here to the left, over here, right here. Hopefully we can just blow past those levels. Hopefully there's enough momentum in the market to just blow past those levels. So yeah, currently looks like we're rejecting. And I'm always prepared to manage risk on these trades. So let's see what ends up happening. Oh, 9 a.m. news just came out, and it looks like the news is kind of pushing price against us. I'm actually looking to get out this trade pretty soon. We're looking to manage risk as best as we can. Probably could have put stop loss to break even, but yeah, we're actually gonna get out this position now. So yeah, we just closed the trade now, and that's trading for you. Took a small loss, but it's all good. All right, so we ended up re-entering the same trade that we got stopped out on or that we managed risk on just to make our loss back. So now I'm actually thinking about just closing this. This trade is just good enough to make our loss back. This was our second trade of the day. And so if we close right here, this will pretty much just be a break-even day for us. So not bad. I don't mind having a break-even day. It's better than taking a loss on the day. So it's day 3 of this challenge. It's currently 8:19. Stock market is about to open. And let's go over yesterday. So yesterday we had a break-even day, right? $30 profit. So now let's see what day 3 has in store for us. The trade we took yesterday ended up stopping us out right here on the YM, aka US 30. Right? We entered somewhere right here, made our losses back. We got hit with news, right? Stopped us out. We re-entered, made our profits back. Exited right there, sorry. And then, as you can see, we're getting in the right trades. These trades are the right direction. And they're just not working out. We're getting stopped out. So now currently it's the next day, right? As you can see, this trade was a banger if we didn't get stopped out. Maybe our stop loss is too tight. Maybe we're just having the wrong timing. It is what it is. So now it's the next day. This is YM. And now we're basically correcting this gigantic drop that we had yesterday. So now we do have some news going on here. So we have Powell speaking at 9 a.m. Right. We have a couple of news events at 9 a.m. We got the JOLTS job opening. I have an interview at 10 a.m. So we're just gonna see. We only really have like a 1 hour window to trade. I'm not really going to get into trade before news. If I do get into trade before news, then, I'm going to be closing before Powell speaks because I'm not trying to get caught in no bullshit. So I'll let you guys know what ends up happening. So we entered a US 30 sell. Now, one thing is for sure, we will be closing this before 9 a.m. It is 8:35 a.m. And Powell, and there's red news events at 9, so I won't be staying in this trade. I'm actually just looking to get a quick scalp. We had a major rejection towards this zone up here, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to take some sells. We're currently pushing into profit, so let's see how this trade plays out. We're not going to make the same mistakes that we made the last 2 trading days. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stop loss right at break even. I'm not playing no fucking games today. Right. Now this trade is currently up. We're fucking melting. Almost $90. Now remember, $108. We're almost up a 1-to-1. This is beautiful, just beautiful. We're gonna be able to get out this trade before we have our interview. And yeah, let's we just closed the position, got our quick 1-to-1. This is only a 1-to-1 trade. And yeah, I think that might be it for the day. We got some major news coming in 20 minutes. Maybe we find the opportunity after news, but, I got to go in an hour, so that pretty much might be it for the day. Small win, but hey, it's a day-by-day process. Let's get it. All right, so look, man, we just going to keep it raw like sushi, man. That's what I always do, man. Keep it raw like sushi. So, I'm going to talk a little bit on this topic. So, yes, I'm graduating from college. I'm 23 years old. And college is really my plan B. You know, I'm all in on entrepreneurship. I'm all in on being an entrepreneur, day trading. I got a clothing brand. You know, I'm just all in on multiple sources of income. Now, with that being said, I am not in the position currently to be a full-time trader. Like I said, I'm keeping it raw. I don't have to fake any type of lifestyle. Once I graduate in college in about 2 to 3 months in May, I'm going to be getting a full-time job, right? Probably be making like a 65K salary. But with that being said, I'm building a skill set right now. I don't plan to work long term. I plan on working 2 to 3 years max. I've already had 4 games implemented into this trading game. I only need another. I'm still developing my skill set. I'm still developing my edge. I'm still developing my psychology. It's an ongoing process. You know what I'm saying? I am not worried. I'm on the right path. I'm in a, like I said, I had this job interview going and in about 45 minutes. And so yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna stick with the plan. College is my plan B, and I'm only using this kind of as a backup plan. My main plan is to stay with the entrepreneurship. So with that being said, this is probably going to be a whole nother video in itself. I'm actually, considering making that a whole nother video of why I decided to go to college. I started college before I even started trading. I started trading my sophomore year at college, right? This is my 5th year in college, and I'm graduating this year with a bachelor's degree. Now, I wanted to quit so many times, but like I said, we'll save that for the next video. I'm about to go get ready for this interview, and I'll show you guys the fit. Alright, so this is the fit we rocking with for the interview. You feel me? I'm probably gonna get the job, you know what I'm saying? Who wouldn't want to hire me? Who wouldn't want somebody this good looking to work for them? You know what I'm saying? Rule number 1 to getting a job, be good looking.
Seven 6'2", man, we blasting his whip. Whole lot of blood had to down me a crib. He say he can't breathe cause he tagging his ribs. Caught him outside with